confidently. Welcome to Financial Education for All. Today, I'm diving deep into why investing in individual stocks might be the best option for those with strong financial literacy, analytical skills, and a particular knack for investing. So if you're someone who thrives in detailed analysis and long-term thinking, this video is for you. First, let's talk about financial literacy. Understanding financial statements, market trends, and company reports is crucial to making informed stock picks. This literacy forms the backbone of successful stock investing, allowing you to spot opportunities and risks early on. Next up, analytical skills are invaluable in evaluating stocks. A good investor can dissect financial reports, understand industry dynamics, and predict future performance based on historical data. This deep dive into numbers and analytics sharpens your decision-making process. Investing in individual stocks comes with higher risks and rewards. Having a strong risk tolerance means you can handle market volatility without making impulsive decisions. Pair that with emotional discipline, and you're better prepared to navigate the ups and downs of the market. Researchability is key. Successful stock investors dedicate time to researching companies, industries, and global trends. It's about gathering the right information and thinking long-term, rather than chasing short-term gains. The world of investing isn't just about numbers, it's also about aligning with your values. Ethical decision-making ensures that your investments reflect not just financial goals, but your personal principles. Supporting sustainable and ethical companies can bring both societal benefits and financial returns. Emotional discipline is critical when managing individual stocks. It's about maintaining composure regardless of market volatility, ensuring decisions are based on strategy rather than reacting to short-term fluctuations. This discipline is what separates successful investors from the rest. Long-term thinking is essential for achieving sustainable growth. It involves focusing on your investment goals over a lengthy period, weathering short-term market cycles, and allowing time for compound growth to work in your favor. A patience-driven approach maximizes the potential rewards of stock investing. If you possess these skills and traits, investing in individual stocks could be a rewarding path. It harnesses your potential to grow wealth meaningfully and responsibly. Remember, it's about ongoing learning and keeping a finger on the pulse of the market. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit that notification bell for more investing tips and insights. Share your thoughts on stock investments in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. In the upcoming videos, I'll be diving deep into the key qualities that can elevate your stock investing skills. Mastering a combination of traits, skills, and knowledge is essential. We'll focus on crucial areas like financial literacy, analytical skills, risk tolerance, emotional discipline, researchability, long-term thinking, ethical decision-making. Join me as we explore these vital aspects to supercharge your investing journey.